Hi, I'm Dr. Tarun. So we have one of our student, is Meet from Bangalore. So let's ask his experience, how he is feeling at Russia, and his travel experiences and his university experiences, everything. So we are just walking in front of the main university building. Uh, yes, Meet, I would like to share your traveling experiences, how the future doctors help you during your travel from the day one at the airport until you reach the university, and what all the arrangements made for you.
The experience so far has been really great. We traveled from Bengaluru. Then we've had multiple interchanges. Sir personally was there with us. He traveled along with us, so there was nothing to worry about. Everything was very well planned, very well executed, and it was a really great experience. It was really comfortable. We reached hostel on time, and then even our seniors were really supportive when we reached the hostel, and things were really good.
Once you reach Russia, so at from the pickup to reaching you to the hostel and making arrangements and everything, how it went through the future doctors consulting.
Personally, it was really good. I didn't expect it to go this way. I didn't have any sort of expectations, but it was really nice. Everything was provided to us, and we were guided to our hostel rooms.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So you have experienced the hostel and here mess food and everything, Indian food and everything. So what do you like to share your review regarding hostel and mess food?
So the hostel here are 4-seater rooms. There's a bunk bed and 2 separate single beds. The hostel is pretty spacious. My hostel room is quite ambient and it's really easy to sit and work or study there. Also, the mess food is quite fresh and given on time, quite tasty, like according to the Indian taste. So it was really nice.
So you have seen the university and you met with the professors and teaching faculty and everything. So how did you feel the like Samara State University and the teachers over here, the teaching everything?
They are quite friendly, they're quite good, and they give a lot of homework. Yeah, we have to do a lot of work at the hostel, so that keeps us we can revise quite well, so it's nice.
Thank you. So, how do you feel would you like to recommend anybody like future doctors? Because most of the students will be having a questions that which consultancy need to consult, and this consultancy does they are trustworthy. They will be having a lot of issues. So, what do you like to say regarding that?
Personally, I do not regret being a part of Future Doctors family. It has been a wonderful journey so far. It's almost been the 5th day, and Sir is still here, making sure that all our documentations are done properly and we are facing no issues. And it has been really good. He has taken us on a city tour to Volga as well. It has been wonderful. All our things have been done by him. There has been no problem so far. I highly recommend you guys to check out Future Doctors. It's been a wonderful experience for me. Thank you.
Thank you. So, at the time of admission, when you came, you had so much of fear and many questions and everything. So, did future doctors stood on their words? Did they keep their words in everything, whatever you expected? How your overall journey with you from the admission until you reach over here in Russia and settling out everything's for you?
Now it's been the 5th day here in Samara, and I am settled down quite. It's been like the first time I've come out of my house, and my parents were pretty concerned as well. But after I gave them a call back home, I told them that everything is fine. Sir is taking uh, good care of us, and the food is good, everything is good. And the promises that were made by the Future Doctors team to us, all of them have been fulfilled. So it's been really great. Sir, personally, he's taken such good care of us. We've had 2 layovers. He's been with us throughout. He's taken amazing care of us, and even helped us pick our luggages, and he's done so much for us. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. And I would like to ask you one more thing. Like, how did you got to know about the future doctors?
I actually saw your future doctor's contact on the university website, and it was the closest to I live in Bengaluru, so it was the closest consultancy to me. That's how I reached out to him, and things after that has just been going uphill. So things were really
So
good.
yes, like you are right. Like a future doctors has been officially listed on the Samara University website. So that's where you found us, and finally you are with us here
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
I would.
It's been a pleasure being a part of Future Doctors family, and to the coming future doctors in the future, like in the coming years, we are also here to support you guys. Just the way our seniors are doing for us, they've also been really supportive. So we would like to continue that legacy and keep on doing it for our juniors as well. So please check out Samara State Medical University. Also, please check out Future Doctors. They've done an amazing job. Thank you.
Thank you for
Thank
sharing
you.
your
Thank you.
experience. I wish you best of luck for your
Thank
future.
you so much, sir. Thank
Future
you.
doctors will be with you for your
Thank
entire
you.
your
Thank you so
education.
much. Thank you.